Connection being an only word of the universe, only being an only meaning of the universe. If we say that we can say nothing about the universe, it is also said about the universe. It is because nothing means for something on this universe. Universe will exist so far as meaning has a meaning. But this sentence does not make a sense because no is a word with meaning, and if no has no meaning, there will not be an age where meaning will not have a meaning. We cannot say that meaning has no meaning when no has no meaning. If there is no meaning for meaning, no will not exist then. If there is no meaning for meaning, there will be no no. No will not be a tool with power enough to question about our existence. If no has no meaning, if meaning has no meaning. If the universe has been expanding since its beginning, the radiation, once extraordinarily hot within the fireball, must be evolving. But as radiation has heat, when we say that there was no universe before creation, the subject of no is universe. So there was universe as the subject of no before creation. The question how the universe say that universe is created by the concept of how no always say something about the subject. Saying that there is no water or there is no cloth makes sense, but simply saying there is no without any subject does not make any sense. So no always says about the subject. So the subject has the importance. So when we say that there was nothing before beginning, universe is the subject. So we have to consider a subject which was formed earlier and which is the cause for that nothing. So there was universe as the subject of nothing when there was no universe.